Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add a grain effect to an image or photo on Affinity Designer. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is open the given image or photo in Affinity. And then what you want to do guys is select it with your left mouse. And here on the right hand side guys, you will see the layers tab, click into it and select the image layer. After that, navigate to the filters here at the bottom. And what you want to do is look for not a grain filter, but it is called noise. So what you want to do is scroll down and select add noise here, just between diffuse and denoise. And then what you want to do is adjust the intensity of the grain effect. So if I move the slider to the right, you will see the increasing grainy filter. And you can also switch between uniform and Gaussian here, right? Or disable the monochromatic feature. Adjust the opacity here by using your mouse here, for example. That's it. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.